still be May, but it kind of feels like summer already.
Yeah.
It's hot outside, it's sunny, and we're craving super fresh, delicious, summery food. Today we are making a very quick and easy summery toast topping situation for you using these gorgeous heritage tomatoes.
This recipe is inspired by the classic Italian Puttanesca pasta, but we've changed it up a little bit, taken out the fish, made it vegan and served it up as a salad, and then taken that and served that on top of the toast.
Yes, so we've kind of like, it's gone on a journey, this
It's gone on a
Puttanesca.
journey,
And
yeah.
essentially we've kind of come back to something that's a bit like bruschetta.
Actually, yeah, I think that's a really good way to put it. If you take your Puttanesca pasta and your bruschetta and just
combine it.
slam it all together and you make this delicious combination.
So it's going to be very quick and easy to make. There's no cooking involved, which we love, especially in the summer. You don't want to be adding extra heat to the kitchen.
Yeah.
So if you like the sound of this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, and we're going to get straight on and show you how to make it. The main ingredient of this recipe are the tomatoes, so you don't really want to skimp on this bit if you can help it. So we're using these kind of two-tone mixed heritage tomatoes, one because they look really nice and they just taste delicious as well. So these ones have come from the vine, so they taste extra fresh and juicy and sweet, which is what you want because it is the main flavour that you're going to taste.
After the tomatoes, we're going to chop up some pitted black olives. We've gone for a rough chop with these as you want them fairly small, but do not want them to disappear completely. The next ingredient is the lovely salty capers. We're adding in some peppery rocket. This is going to add in a little bit of texture to the dish. And then for the herbs, we're keeping it pretty simple and adding in some fresh basil and oregano. Try to get fresh where possible, but if you only have dry, then that'll work too. We're adding in some lemon for a citrus note. That'll bring everything to life in the bowl. And then finally, we're adding in a pinch of salt to taste and a glug of extra virgin olive oil. Give everything a good mix and toss together, and then we'll turn our attention to the bread. We've toasted thin slices of sourdough because it will crisp up really nice, and then rub that with a bulb of garlic just for a subtle garlic flavour. Top that bread with a hearty portion of Puttanesca salad. And perhaps a last glug of olive oil and a pinch of salt for good measure. You grab a piece, I grab a piece?
I think it's going to be messy.
It's going to be messy, yeah. Do you want to go first, then I'll go second?
You sure?
Yeah.
I've really loaded it up.
We've gone like to the max. Yeah? My turn?
I want more. So good. It's so fresh and salty. It does taste like Puttanesca.
That's so fresh.
Isn't it?
It's like sweet from the tomatoes and salty, and it's got the like
Lemony,
olivey flavour.
tangy.
It's everything you need, and it's crunchy and soft and
So good. This could be, I mean, we're calling it a lunch, but you could have it as a snack. If you wanted to add extra protein, you could do some crispy roasted cannellini beans. Sprinkle them on top. That'd be really good.
Well, nice.
But yeah, this is, you could have this for breakfast, you could have it as a snack, have it as a light lunch, you could serve it as a side or like as an appetizer, like little mini ones.
It's one of those things where you're just going to want to eat it in every situation you possibly can do. You're going to be making up reasons to start eating this. So that is our delicious Puttanesca salad on toast. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe because we've got so many other delicious recipes on our channel. Maybe even let us know the kind of thing that you might like to see us make next.
Absolutely, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye!